Hey guys, welcome back, and if you are new here, my name is Joji and I do makeup tutorials and makeup reviews here on my channel. So if you wanted to see more of my future videos, make sure that you are subscribed. And in today's video, I am super excited because I'm going to be trying the newest Charlotte Tilbury, and this is the Pillow Talk Big Lip Plumpgasm. So I have the two shades that she launched here. I have the fair medium, so this is the pink nude, and I also have the medium deep, and this is the supposed to be brown kind of berry shade. I'm super excited. On this video, we are going to do some swatches, lip application, and we are going to see how effective is this lip plump. And before we get started, of course, I'm going to give you a little bit of information about this product, but for now, I'm going to show you a closer look of the packaging. So here is the box. So far it's so pretty, and you can see it's very Charlotte Tilbury iconic. Those are the shades, and now I'm going to open up each. Oh my goodness, you guys, that is such a pretty packaging. Look at that. I really love it. It looks so fun. I love that this is like a lip design here with that sort of lipstick. It's something new to her that I've never seen before, but it's definitely a pretty one. It's very Instagrammable anyways, which is I do, so make sure that you follow me there as well. So this is the front right there. That's the case, and that's the shade on the bottom. So first we are going to take a look at the applicator. So it's a nice doe foot right there, sort of a diamond square. So pretty. So now, while we're here, I'm gonna give you a swatch as well. Ooh, look at that. That is so beautiful. So that one is the fair to medium shade. Okay, now I have the medium deep shade right here, and then let's swatch it as well. So that is the swatch. That is really nice. I love that too. Now I'm curious how this is going to look like on my lips. Now let's go ahead and apply. Alright you guys, so before I start, I'm going to give you just a little bit of information about this product. I'm just going to read it here from the box. So this one, it says it's a PLUMPGASM heat and ice technology, plus the ingredients is hyaluronic acid and collagenase. So that word collagenase I haven't heard before, and it's definitely a Charlotte Tilbury kind of thing. So whatever that means is, it sounds good. And hyaluronic acid is really good for moisturizing the lips or maintaining the hydration on your lips. And this one is actually claimed that it is 93% plump instantly as soon as you applied it. And of course, she also said that after using it for 2 weeks, it's going to give you 25% more of plumpiness on your lips, which is, I'm going to see that. I'm going to see if it works, and later on while we apply it, I'm going to show you how it looks like on the side without and with the product. So we're going to see how that works. But overall, such a beautiful packaging, made in Italy. It has 12-month shelf life. Amount of it, it's 5.5 ml. So that's everything that I wanted to share about the product. If you need more information, of course, it is available on her website, so feel free to go in there. Now I'm excited. I'm going to try the shade Pillow Talk Fair Medium because this is something that I'm looking forward to try. It's a pink nude. It's a pink nude. So what am I gonna what am I saying? And then I'm gonna try it here without the lip liner because I wanted to see how it looks like. Okay, so that is just on this side right here. Oh my goodness. Wait a second. I feel something right away, like, which is something that I haven't really felt before. I do have a few options of lip plumping, like the Dior. I also have Patrick Ta, and I also have some other lip plumping that I can't remember. But this is by far the tingling motion or tingling feeling that I feel it right away as soon as the applicator touched my lips. I feel it right away. It's not uncomfortable. It's actually, it feels pleasant. It's so icy. Like, oh my god, that's a real thing. It actually says on the box that it's a What was that again? Like, I can't remember what is it exactly she said. Ice technology. Yeah, it feels like cooler, like icy kind of feeling. So now that we have applied this, we are going to see how this one looks like. It's very nude. It's almost close to my lips, but it's definitely there. The tingling motion, the feeling of it, it's there, and it's kind of nice. It's weird, right? It's weird that I like it. Okay, what do you guys think? Do you see something a bit more plumpy, or what do you think of the shade? Do you like it so far? It's nice, but it definitely needs a lip liner. If you want something like character or a little bit more depth around your lips, you definitely have to apply a lip liner when it comes to this kind of color, because it's a nude, right? Like nude pink. So I'm just gonna use, I know this is probably a bad idea when applying a lip liner, but I'm gonna try to show you how it looks like. Okay, so I did apply that lip liner. By the way, that is from MAC, and I have the shade Hover. So now I have waited just maybe a minute or two already, and looking at it more personal on here, I definitely see like a plump, and I still feel that tingling motion. It did not go away. It's still there, and it's probably still working. So now what I'm gonna do that is interesting is I'm just gonna apply the second shade over on this side, because I wanted to kind of compare them as well. I wanted you guys to see which shade actually shows a lot more color if you are looking forward to get the medium to deep, and if you wanted to see if it looks good on something like our skin tone. So let's see this one. All right, so that is, it's kind of weird looking, but it's okay. I want you guys to see side by side, just in case you couldn't choose which shade. So lately, what I figure out with this kind of launches, especially with like lip oil, lip glaze, lip plumping, if you want something like a color, it's definitely go for a bit more like darker, because a lot of them are not pigmented. So if you want a little bit of color that shows up on your lips, especially if you have like a deeper pigmentation, it's not a problem, because they're still very light. And as you can see here on the swatch and even the packaging, the medium to deep, it's definitely dark, but once you put on your lips, this is gonna give you that color only, and you wouldn't get disappointed with this color. You actually gonna love it. It's not super like dark. So that's what I'm just noticing lately, because I also had reviewed the House Labs in the shade Guava. It looks darker on the case, but once I applied it, it just looks so natural. So overall, this tingling motion, it's definitely there. You are going to feel it as soon as you put it on. Like I said, it's something that I like. It's kind of weird, but it's something that I like, and I'm going to keep using this for about 2 weeks. Like she said, it's 25% more plumpier than my natural lips. So we're going to see that. I really love the packaging. I'm just surprised. I'm surprised. I'm just gonna put this out there. I'm surprised that these are actually a little bit bulky to my taste. Like, I thought this would be a little skinnier, but I'm not complaining, because that means there will be more product in it. I just thought that it will just be a little bit more skinnier than this one's, because on the website it's hard to tell, right? It's a little bit too big for my liking, but overall, what a cute packaging. I love this design, the lips and sort of the lipstick here, and also this pattern on the lid. And I love that it's pink. Like I said, it's very Instagrammable. The product itself, it is really good. If you're looking for a lip that is moisturizing, there's no question at all. If any, I have like a lot of moisture, and it's very interesting that the product sort of like, it's very smooth, silky. It glides on the lip really well and really nice. Also, the color, I would definitely go for this one right here, because if you probably wear it just by itself, you are not going to tell, but because they're side by side, it's good that you guys are able to see the shade. I do love it, and if you are not liking the sort of that icy, tingling sort of feeling on the lips, you're probably not gonna like this, because like I said, it's slightly more tingling than if you have tried the Dior Maximizer. This one is definitely, I think, 3 times that. Or if you have tried the Patrick Ta, also more than that. That's probably why she claims that instantly it gives you plump, but it's not uncomfortable. The only thing that I wish that tingling or that like heat that you can feel on the lips kind of like disappear. Since I applied this one right here, I still feel it. Like it's still there, and it's been I don't know, maybe 10 minutes already since I applied, or like less than, but still I can still feel it. Maybe it will go away later. Alright guys, so I have worn it for another like say 2 to 3 minutes. I was waiting if it goes away. So yes, it does. It kind of like faded just a little bit slowly because I think it's working really hard to get that plump that you're looking for. So I would say it's a good 10 minutes of sort of that icy feeling, tingling motion. So get used to it. I mean, if you have worn like a lip plump before, you probably know how it feels, but this one just a little bit more. So when it comes to that lip plumping, and if you're looking for something like that, it definitely doesn't disappoint me because I know that it's going to work. I just wish that that motion goes away quickly. Overall, a beautiful shade, and I really love the medium to deep shade right here. And if you want like a nude pink, if you have like a lighter lip pigmentation, this is probably gonna look good on you. I mean, it's not bad. I just prefer the other shade for now because I have a similar to that kind of shade already. So yes, I don't want this video to get too long, but overall a beautiful collection and I love it. And if you are new to my channel, I do have an affiliate link with Charlotte Tilbury. I always mention that every time I review a Charlotte Tilbury product. If you are new and you wanting to purchase one of them or any product from Charlotte Tilbury, I do have a code that is a 15% on your first purchase, so enjoy that. I will link everything on the description down below. And of course, as always, thank you guys so much for supporting my channel, and thank you for always watching my video. If you have any requests or any suggestion that you'd like me to review on my next video, please leave a comment down below, and of course give this video a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe on my channel if you haven't yet, and I will see you on my next one. Bye guys!